The Forester has continued to travel the roads of the world. Now, the Forester is evolving even further. It's more powerful than ever and more sleek. New Forester. Good day, everyone. My name is Dai, and I am the Project General Manager for the newest Forester. This latest Forester is the fourth generation of the car. Current Foresters have won the appreciation of customers around the world. Thanks to them, we have sold more than 2 million vehicles in all. As the person in charge of development for the newest Forester, I wanted to make an effort to deliver the kind of value that our customers throughout the world want from an SUV. The surveys we conducted around the world showed that there was one point in common shared by everyone. The fact is, SUV customers are the kind of people who, regardless of country, region, age, or gender, want to actively enjoy life. For those customers around the world who want to actively enjoy life, we offer fundamental and real value in SUV form. The SUV is the new Forester. At a time when there have been more and more types of SUV on the market available, we aimed to give the new Forester a substantial presence by expressing the power and intelligence and styling that are essential to an SUV. As a result, we made the styling of the new Forester one of its special features, representing enjoyment and peace of mind, while realizing the favorable visibility and interior space that are the hallmarks of the Forester. We have moved the mounting base of the A-pillar forward by 200 millimeters to create a roomier interior, while maintaining the sleek silhouette. The wheel-oriented design gives the driver a solid sense of the four wheels on the road. The aim was to provide a firmly anchored, stable feel. The thick surface design creates a feeling of solidity and reliability. Sporty models, such as turbo models, and some grades come with a specially designed front bumper and grille, designed to create a look of high quality, refinement, and power. The new Forester has a lower drag coefficient than other SUVs, helping give it good fuel economy. Our goal for the interior was to create a high-quality, comfortable space in which drivers and passengers get a sense of enjoyment and peace of mind. We also gave due consideration to materials as seen in the soft padded instrument panel, shifter boot, and armrests, with the aim of creating a car a class above. Powerfulness of the design can be seen in the interior with the bar shape of the center and the door grips and the shape of the seat. We gave equal consideration to ease of use, as can be seen in the accessibility of the rear seats, the overall space, and storage characteristics. The goal was to pair functionality with design, such that everyone will be aware of how good and comfortable it is. The sound and feel made when closing the new Forester's doors have been carefully tuned. Materials have been placed inside the doors to give them a satisfyingly low-pitched, heavy closing sound and make them more solid to the touch. One of the biggest advances in the new Forester is the improvements we made to its usability. We made improvements in usability that will enhance its fundamental and real value for the customer who wants an SUV. These include increased front and back seat space to make the interior feel more comfortable to everyone who gets in, the fine views expected of an SUV, good visibility, and the first power rear gate used in a vehicle in this segment. Forester is known for its superior front and back visibility, and none of this visibility has been sacrificed in the new model. The A-pillar cross-section has been carefully designed to reduce the blind spot angle by more than 1 degree to approximately 11 degrees. At the rear of the vehicle, the new Forester possesses one of the best rear visibility of any SUV and also comes equipped with a rear view camera. The higher seating position enables the ideal driving position for drivers of any height. The side sill height has been lowered by about 20 millimeters while keeping high ground clearance. In addition, the thinner side sill cross-section reduces the amount of leg movement needed when getting in and out, making access easier for occupants of all ages and body sizes. The clean side sill structure used in the doors covers the entire side sill surface, effectively shielding clothes from dirt road when getting in and out. A step up to the back seat provides safer and easier access for small children. The 25mm longer wheelbase enables a bigger rear seating area and roomier environment. The backs of the front seats have been contoured in order to provide more legroom for rear seat passengers. The back of the console has also been contoured to better accommodate the center rear seat passenger, providing nearly 100 millimeters of extra legroom. A lower rear seat tunnel height improves rear seat comfort and utility. Shoulder room and elbow room have been increased by more than 15 millimeters for greater roominess. The new power rear gate makes it easy to operate the rear gate when encumbered by luggage. The motor is built into the rear quarter pillars, creating a compact design without spoiling good visibility. The new Forester has a memory function, handy when parking in low-ceiling garages or when storing long items on the roof carrier. The new Forester's interior space has been increased from 450 to 505 liters as measured by the VDA method. Entryways have also been made larger and the floor flatter. Loading and unloading luggage is easier than ever. First, it is a given that we're using the symmetrical all-wheel drive that is at the core of all Subarus. To understand what makes the symmetrical AWD so good, you need to get rid of the negatives in the area of fuel efficiency and get it on par with a front-wheel drive vehicle. We developed an AWD with the goal of attaining the best fuel efficiency equal to an FWD car. The engine is a naturally aspirated Subaru FB series model that boosts low and mid-range torque while offering easier operation. The 4-speed automatic transmission of the current Forester has been replaced by Subaru's Lineatronic, continuously variable transmission. It combines greatly improved fuel economy with a smooth ride. The combination of the FB series engine and Lineatronic CVT has improved fuel economy by about 12% in the 2-liter CVT model for the European market. The turbo model has a 2-liter direct fuel injection turbo DIT engine. The engine's direct fuel injection technology gives it better power and fuel economy than the current turbo engine. The CVT used with the DIT engine is a special type designed for higher torques. The 8-speed manual functions characteristic makes S-sharp mode driving more fun. Compared with the current 2.5-liter turbo engine, The new 2-liter DIT engine is smaller but has more power and torque. And its 18% higher fuel economy is a significant improvement. Enjoyment and peace of mind are at the core of the Subaru brand. On this point, the new Forester stands apart from other manufacturers' SUVs and is vastly superior. First, when it comes to the safety performance that is linked to peace of mind in a car, from the passive safety perspective, we sought to give it the top level of collision safety performance in every market. As to active safety, we retained the SAWD, that is a core feature of Subaru's, while adding to it the development of a new X mode to take its AWD performance forward. With respect to enjoyment, we improved the car's feel to a degree that anyone will notice compared to current models by retaining the high vehicle height of an SUV while giving it handling that gives the car a responsiveness to driver intentions and improvements to the interior design to keep interior noise down to a minimum and reduce vibration. We work to develop a car that will give not just the driver but anyone who gets in the car a sense of enjoyment and peace of mind. By maintaining the same outstanding level of collision safety that has earned Subaru recognition in collision safety tests worldwide, the new Forester has been given the same top level of safety performance. Body parts have been strengthened and rigidly increased. The front strut and rear double wishbone-type suspensions have been greatly refined. The use of rebound springs is another new feature. When cornering, rebound springs reduce the amount of rebound in the inner wheels and reduce body lift. The new Forester performs at the top of its class when simulating North American hazard avoidance tests and European MOOS tests. Unpleasant noise and vibrations have been reduced, creating a stress-free ride of outstanding quietness. Symmetrical AWD is the core Subaru mechanism that we have spent 40 years refining. The low center of gravity of the new Forester comes from its horizontally opposed engine, mounted low off the ground. Since SUVs are tall vehicles, this low center of gravity helps improve driving performance. The straight line, longitudinal symmetry of the powertrain layout creates outstanding weight balance. All-wheel drive is what gives Forester its outstanding all-round performance. The new Forester driving function, called X mode, increases the performance of symmetrical AWD. It provides better traction on poor road surfaces, where the vehicle is likely to slip and get stuck. Enabling X mode prevents slips by inhibiting rises in engine speed. It also optimizes the transmission for maximum torque with minimum shifting and facilitates the transfer of more torque than usual to the rear wheels. By speeding up the timing for deploying the limited slip differential function, the vehicle dynamics control system reduces tire spin and helps control vehicle speed with auto braking. X mode is a system used to perform a variety of controls in order to further improve AWD performance in rough road conditions, which require high-level driving skills to maneuver safely. No matter how good the vehicle's all-wheel drive system is, it's not easy to regain control when two diagonally opposed wheels start spinning on a road with a low frictional coefficient. Current active torque split all-wheel drive systems start to control the vehicle after tires start spinning. Only then do they work to reduce the spin. X mode enables smoother spin control by continually monitoring for tire spin in standby mode. The new Forester's hill descent control feature keeps the vehicle speed stable on a downhill. The auto brake maintains precise control of vehicle speed. It keeps the speed constant even without the driver applying the brake pedal. This function is highly effective on snowy roads and gravel-covered downslopes that require the most brake control work. The multifunction display increases Forester's communication with the driver and makes driving more fun. The screen displays a variety of information, such as eco-friendly fuel economy data and driver safety assistance. The multifunction display on the new Forester Turbo models can be used to display the boost pressure. A new function displays the artist and track names of songs played on the FM radio, along with the Bluetooth connection status. A calendar can also be displayed. The new Forester features the Harman Kardon audio system. Subaru has refined an Outback and Tribeca. It features Harman Kardon's unique MMD technology, driven by metal-based material and speaker cones. The sound has been fine-tuned to match Forester, with specially designed components incorporated into the body. And a body is designed to accommodate Harman Kardon's high audio quality and large sound output. The SUV market today is quite dynamic, with many new models coming onto the market all the time. Meanwhile, as we cast our eyes everywhere in the world at the situation around us, we see that elements of uncertainty in the economy, the environment, and elsewhere are on the rise. I believe we are entering an era in which customers will be seeking more fundamental and real value. We take pride in the fact that the new Forester gives these people a car that offers more fundamental and real value. For an era when people want real value, where only the real thing can survive, this is a car that has maximized real value in SUV form. This is the new Forester.